Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add product filter in Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have here my products. The only filter available is availability and in stock or out of stock right here. So if you want to actually add in here a more filter, you can head over in here to your store in Shopify and then click on this online store. Then from in there, click on this navigation. So under this navigation, just scroll down and in here you can see the filters. So they have here Shopify recommended application. So just head over and install this specific application to your actual Shopify. So as you can see, it will direct and it will actually ask us in order to successfully integrate it. So click on install. Then as you can see, since I have clicked on the install button, it will install itself on my Shopify dashboard. So in here, let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. And then from in there, we can add some popular filters to our actual store. So as you can see right here, we can actually edit our existing filters. So let's first use that. Click on this customize filters. And in here, we have the filters for availability and price only. So you can click on this add filter right here in order to add another. So we can search for filter sources like product type, tags, or vendor. So for example, let's click on this product type. And then in here, you can see the filter values, which are all of these things right here. So let's head over and then add these values in here for a specific product type. Or you can also just remove one. So for example, let's remove this hat right here and then click on save. Now as you can see, this product type has been added. So what we can do next is we can actually head over and add another product type. So head over and click on add filter. And in here, you can see the filter sources again. You can put in here the vendor or the tags depending on what you want right here. So in here, I have the vendor, which is Acne. So in here, I have those values. So head over and click on save. Then as you can see right here, we have now 4 filters. So let's try to refresh our website right here. So as you can see right now, we have now 4 filters available, which is the product type, and actually also the brand that we have right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.